Hey everybody, how's it going today? It's going great over here. We're playing, we're sticking to our schedule, we're doing our AMI work, and we're playing a lot outside. So we want you to know we miss you so much. We're gonna get started today with Phonemic Awareness, and we also call that Haggerty because the book that we do Phonemic Awareness from in our classes was written by a guy named Michael Haggerty. Okay, so that's why we call it that. He was an expert in phonemic awareness, and so that's why he wrote a book about phonemic awareness and ways that we can practice phonemic awareness. Remember that when we have really good phonemic awareness, we can hear sounds in words, we can identify the sounds in words, and we can change around the sounds in words to make new words. Okay, so one of my favorite activities that Mr. Haggerty likes to do in his book that he wrote is to punch out sounds. I think it's super fun. And that's what we're gonna do first. I want you to listen for the medial sound. Remember, there are initial sounds, which are at the beginning, medial sounds, which are in the middle, and final sounds, which are at the end. Today, I want you to punch out the middle sound in these words. Listen for them. The first word is mood. Punch out the middle sound in mood. Ood. Ooh is the middle sound. Good. Punch out the middle sound in dark. D-ark. Great. Okay, the next one is sauce. Sauce. Good. Ah is the middle sound. Took. Took. Good. Is the middle sound. And what two letters say like in book and look and took? We spell that sound with an O-O. Yes. That's a vowel team. O-O can say and O-O can say, that's right, ooh. Good job. All right, the next one I want you to punch out is the word girl. Punch out the middle sound in girl. Girl. Good. Cord. Ord. Yes. Loud. Loud. Yes. Okay, awesome job. Okay, the next thing I want us to do together is to count the sounds in words. And this is the part where we are listening for those sounds and we can hear all the sounds in those words. And so that's what I want you to do. The first word is tanner. Tanner. Let's count them. T-a-n-er. Tanner has 4 sounds. Good job. Right, what about this one? Hitter. 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 We say it 2 different ways. It's it-er. Hitter or hitter. Okay, what about smoker? Smoker. How many sounds does smoker have? O-k-er has 5 sounds. Sweet. What about the word sneakers? Sneakers. Sneakers has 6 sounds. Way to go. Okay, now the last thing we're going to do for phonemic awareness practice is we're going to change the sounds in words and make new words. I'm going to tell you a word, and then I want you to change the middle sound in the word, and I'm going to tell you the new sound, and you'll make the new word. Okay, it'll sound like this. Can, you say it. Okay, I want you to change the A to A. Can becomes cane. Great. Bite. Change the I to I. Bit. Good. All right, robe. Good. Change the O to aw. Rob. Sam. Change the I to A. Spine. Change the I to I. Spin. Good. Last one, bed. Change the E to E. Bead. Great job. Today we are going to do phonics together also, and the sound that you're going to practice on your paper is the sound O. We know that can be spelled in a few different ways. We can spell the O sound with an O consonant E. We can also spell the O sound with vowel teams. We can spell the O sound with the vowel team OA and the vowel team OE. Remember, when you are reading words with O or writing words with O, you're going to put OA at the beginning or the middle, and you're going to put OE at the end of the word. Okay, the first word I want you to write on your paper is the word toad. T-O-D, toad. T-O-D, toad. Remember, OA, you spell a word with OA if the sound is in the middle of the word, and you spell the O sound with an OE if it's at the end of the word. Second word, hoe. Oh, ho. Next word, road. R-O-D, road. Next word, floats. F-O-T-S, floats. Write all those sounds in that word. Last word, Joe. J-O, Joe. Good. Next, you're going to read those words to someone at home. You can pause the video or you can do it after the video. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to fix that sentence. There are several mistakes in that sentence, and so I want you to think about it really hard. Okay? It says, the little brown goat has a big sore toe. The little brown goat has a big sore toe. Okay, think about the problems that you see. Push pause on your video, fix your sentence, and then come back and check your work with me. Okay, have you fixed your sentence? I fixed mine. Okay, so first of all, we see that it does not start with a capital letter, and we know that every sentence starts with a capital letter. So, the needs to start with a capital T. Little brown. Let's look at the way that the brown word is spelled on your paper. It says something like brune or something like that. We know that brown is spelled B-R-O-W-N. All right, the little brown goats. Okay, this is just talking about one goat. The goat has. The little brown goats has. That doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to take off the S on that goat and just make it one goat. The little brown goat has a big sore toe. Is that asking us a question? No, it's just telling us something. So I just marked out that question mark and put a period. All right, that's it for Phonemic Awareness and Phonics today. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. It's a brand new week, a brand new start. Think positive and have fun and mind yo mama.
Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday, April the 27th. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you got out and did something fun. I wanted to wish Kate Hood a happy birthday. Her birthday's this week. It is Friday, May 1st. Yeah, it's already May. So I hope you have a great birthday this week. We are going to be doing our math today. And if you will turn to your packet on April the 27th, this is something very similar to what we've been doing. I'm going to challenge you a little bit with that. So if you will get your packet and get started, we'll just go ahead. Okay, guys, I'm having to do it on this board instead of your paper. So anyway, you'll look at your paper. So let's look at the number pattern. We have 45 and then 55. What's happening in this number pattern to go from 45 to 55? Your ones place stays the same, both 5, but your tens place in 45 has 4 groups of 10, and then the tens place in this number has 5 groups of 10. So what changes? The tens place, and it's adding 1 group of 10. So if you can continue that pattern, you'll add 1 group of 10 each time. So this would be 45, 55. What happens next? 65. That's right. What happens next? 75. What happens next? 85. Very good. Now, I want you to go ahead on your paper and draw 3 more lines. Or let's try 4 more. And then see if you can continue that pattern and have your parents check it. All right, let's look at the next one. You have 47 and 37. Okay, what's changing in this pattern? The ones place both have 7, so that doesn't change. But the tens place in this number has 4 groups of 10, and this number it has 3 groups of 10. So what's changing? Yes, that's right. It is the tens place is going down, or it loses a group of 10, subtracting a group of 10. So 47, 37, if you're taking away a group of 10, what would be the next number in the pattern? That's right, 27. And then continue that pattern. If you're taking away a group of 10 each time, you have 47, 37, 27, and then 17. Good. And then what happens next? If you take away another group of 10, it goes to 7. Very good. All right, look at the next one. 11, 21, blank. So let's look at what changes. In the ones place, we have 1. In the tens place, in this number, we have 1 group of 10 and then 2 groups of 10. So 11, 21, what's happening each time? What is changing? The tens place is adding 1 group of 10 each time. So 11, 21, what would be next? You're going to add 10. So you should have done 31, add 10, 41, add 10, 51. Draw 3 more blanks. Continue that pattern and then see if have your parents check it with you or for you and see if you did it right. Now challenge yourself. I want you to I'm going to write these 2 numbers underneath that, 11 and 21. Write 94, 84, and then blank, blank, blank. And I want you to do those and have your parents check them. That's your challenge. All right? Okay. So we're going to look at this problem. I wrote 8 more than 6, which is similar to your math problem that's on the bottom of your paper for today. Not the same, but just a little different. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. I want you to look at 8 more than 6. Let's think for a minute. What number is 8 close to that you're real familiar with that makes easy counting? That's right, it's a 10. How many more do you need to make 10? How many more away from 8 is it to 10? Well, it's 2 more. So I'm going to go ahead in my mind and I'm going to add 2. And I'm going to make that a 10. And I know in my head that 10 more than would be plus 6 equals 16. I can do that in my head, right? So if I have 16 and in my head I can take away that 2 that I added from beginning. Nope, not plus. Take away. See, teachers make mistakes all the time. 16 take away 2, that's going to get me to 4. So I know that 8 more than 6 would be 14. Very good. So let's think about that. And your problem today was, what is 18 more than 4? Use your friendly tens. 18 more than 4. Use your friendly tens. Now that's not close. 18's not close to 10, but it is close to something. What number is it close to that's going to be in those friendly tens? It's not 10. What would come next if you're counting by tens? 20. That's right. 18 is really close to 20. So you would say, 18 more than 4. More than 4. Isn't that what your problem said? Yes. 18 more than 4. You see that? Let me fix the camera so you can see that a little bit. There. So we know that 18 is close to 20. So go ahead and pause the camera, and then I want you to do that problem just like I did the 8 plus 6. Do it but you're going closer to 20. Try that one and see if that helps. Pause the camera and then come back and let's look at that. Okay, so if you did your problem like I did the first problem, the first example, you would say 18 plus 2 gets you to 20. So we had to add 2 to it. So now we know in our mind, you can do this really quickly in your mind, 20 plus 4 equals 24. Now we got to take this 2, we got to take it away now because we added it. So you could say 24, take away 2, equals 22. So your answer to 18 more than 4 is 22. I hope you guys got that answer. Good job. If you want to challenge yourself, try some more on the back. Try this problem. I'm going to write it down. You write it down on the back. Try 27 more than 2 and see 27 more than 2. Try that one and see what you get, and have your parents check it and see if y'all get it right. Good job, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you later this week. Bye.